when you log in into the broker of your choice to deposit your money for trading, either for manual or for copy trading, you can choose any broker of your choice. In this video, I'm showing us Light Finance. So once you log in, you must have done your registration and KYC. Once you log in, you tap on these three lines here and you come to Finance. Once you tap on Finance, you can see Deposit here. You come to Deposit and you scroll up. Under Deposit, you can choose which method you want to use. Do you want to use cryptocurrency, or do you want to use local deposit, or want to use bank transfer or Neteller, or you want to use electronic system, bank transfer, local deposit? These are the basic ways or means you can deposit. It's either you use electronic system, or use cryptocurrencies, or bank transfer, or local deposit. For this video, I'm using cryptocurrency. But before I go there, let me open other links so that you will see how it looks like, so that you can know the one you choose. If you want to use electronic means, tap on this electronic means and you can see there are different means you can pay. You can use Neteller, HTC Pay, Perfect Money, Scree, Volex. That is for electronic means. You can choose any of these if I have an account with them. Then if you want to use bank transfer, tap on bank transfer and local bank transfer. Using here, we are seeing where they are using Bitolo. So once you tap on here, you go to local deposit, you open it. So this is the account details you send it to. So that is how to go for bank transfer. Once you send the details, I believe you need to upload your payment. After you pay, you need to come and upload payment details. So the other method we are using is want us to check is we have checked out electronics and bank transfer. The same thing. If you want to use local deposit, you tap on this, the same thing. Now if you want to use cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrency is faster and easier, and you may not have banking network issues. No, cryptocurrency is easier and very cheap. Excuse me. It's very cheap and faster. So on top of cryptocurrency here, for this account, I want to use cryptocurrency. So, under cryptocurrency, you can choose any of these coins. We have Tether, TRC20, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Tether, ERC20, Bitcoin Cash, Repo. So for this video, I'm using Tether, TRC20, because it's stable. So that whatever I'm sending, I know it's a stable value. I can check anytime. So you tap, if you want to use the Tether cryptocurrency or anyone want to use, just tap on it. I just tap on the Tether TRC20. We can accept only TRC20 tokens. So it's very important. If you are using crypto, you make sure you send the coin. You don't go and send a Bitcoin or Ethereum here. Send the same Tether, and not just Tether, but TRC20. Don't go and start sending with BIP20. I will show you practically here. So send funds within 2 hours, otherwise the deposit will not be credited automatically. So you have to deposit immediately within these 2 hours, so that you can deposit in your account immediately. Now the amount you want to deposit, you choose. It's up to you. Here we have $50, 100, 20, 50, 1,500 or above. So but the minimum deposit here, you can see is 10. So for this video, I'll be topping up with $30 here. You can put any amount you want to use. So you can see once you select that the amount, once you select the amount you want to use, if you have any promo code, you can put promo code. Some persons, if you are paying with higher amount of money, this up to 200. You can use promo code if you have. Now once you have done all this, go to continue. Remember, I'll be dropping the link of this live finance. If you're yet to register with the link and get started. You can join my Telegram group or chat me up for details on how you can make money from forex trading and also crypto trading. In immediate channel, we do both crypto and forex trading. Trading skill is a skill that will pay you for life. So if you want to learn more about trading, either forex or crypto trading, subscribe to this channel, join our everyday official Telegram channel and learn more. You can also subscribe for free or paid crypto learning services. So we'll now click on continue. Remember, once you click on continue, you need to fund it immediately for it to be credited. Okay, so this is the address, Theta TRC20 address for deposit. Amount for deposit is 30 USDT. So if you want to edit it, if you want to add or reduce, you come and click on edit. You see it will take you back. But if you want to go ahead, you now click on continue. We'll give you some time to load. So confirm. I want to go ahead. You click on confirm. So once you are here, you now copy this address. Copy. Address has been copied to clipboard. So whatever amount you deposit will be exchanged to USD. Remember, what they use in this place is USD. So even you're using cryptocurrency to deposit, anything you deposit will be converted to USD at the current market price. If the deposit will be converted to the exchange at the time of payment. So I've copied the wallet already, and now I'm going to an exchange. You can go to any exchange using get.io. I'm also dropping the link of this exchange if you want to register and this exchange, get.io, or any other exchange. So I'm tapping on asset. Now click on withdraw. Select USDT. The amount I want to withdraw 30. So remember, if I withdraw 30, you need to put the withdrawal charges. So okay, let me see. Withdraw. Okay, got it here. Withdraw USDT. It's showing me something. Let me go back to. Okay, once I tap on this withdraw, click on withdraw USDT. It's loading. Like the network is a little bit poor. Okay, withdraw USDT. Still bringing me to this place. The network is really poor in this exchange today. Okay, let me tap on the USDT itself. Tap on withdraw. Okay, this is it. So withdraw, I'm using a on-chain withdrawal. Tap on on-chain withdrawal. Got it. So I paste the address I just copied. Paste. I'm going to confirm it again. It ends with VY. Okay, this is VY. Select the network. TRC20 was what I choose, and the fee is $1. So you have to add that $1. Now, since I will don't touch, I have to put 31 so that I can get $30 there. See, the amount they receive, $30. Now tap on withdraw. Confirm withdrawal. I'm going to minimize to go and get the email code. Okay, this is the code here. You copy the code. Once you have withdrawn it, you go back to the account, minimize, and can click on confirm. Okay, so look at the money here. It has dropped the 30 USDT that I just added. So this is how you can fund your broker accounts, Light Finance in particular. If you have any questions, comment at the comment section at the of this video. Let me know more video you want me to do on forex trading, and you can join our group. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, both our YouTube and Telegram channel for videos on how you can make money from forex and cryptocurrency online. So thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.